Hello everyone, welcome to the channel The Freaky Artist, and today we are going to be talking about best slice of life comic out there according to me. So first of all, I want to clear that it is all my personal opinion, and if someone disagrees, that is completely fine and I understand it completely well. So if now also there is someone in the crowd who is saying that Murrz is not best slice of life and shit, then I can't do anything. So without wasting your any more time, let's get straight to the point. Murrz is actually started in the very early of 2018 and she has been posting consistently. She has got 13.9 million plus likes and nearly 700,000 subscribers on Webtoon, which is a lot by the way. Murrz is also the very first comic I ever read online and I fell in love with it immediately. Actually, there is another slice of life comic which I picked named My Giant Nerd Boyfriend, which I enjoyed but not as much as Murrz. Obviously, otherwise this video would be about my giant nerd boyfriend. By the way, no offense to my giant nerd boyfriend's creator, because someone don't sue me. Murrz today nearly has 400 plus chapters, and when I first started reading there were 350 plus chapters, which is a lot, and I finished them in just 5 days. So now you can guess how much addictive it is. First reason for my statement that Murrz is the best slice of life is the art itself. Actually, the art in Murrz is actually very professional, systematic and on the point. For comparison, MGNB, My Giant Nerd Boyfriend's art is looking very homemade, which if you think is not bad at all. And I am not saying that it's bullshit or anything like that. And for certain people it's great and they like the homemade designs. But it's just a personal opinion, and I think so the art in Murrz is just on whole another level in the slice of life genre. Now the next and actually the most important point is relatability, and it is actually the most important element without which a slice of life comic can never survive. And hold on, I know that she is a girl and I am not saying that I 100% relate to her, but yeah, in the general topics and issues I relate with her, and the problems she faces, some of the problems are faced by literally everyone, and she has just shared her opinions, which of course everybody will relate to. That is what makes the novel so special. The next and a very crucial part is comedy, and slice of life novels always come in the comedy genre, and to be fair, I didn't find it that funny. I know that it is a best slice of life video, but I am just a boring person. I am confessing it, and I think that I have seen better comedy than it. But it makes me laugh hard and have a punch once in a while, but not that often. But to be fair, of course, I have already confessed that I am a boring person and I don't laugh a whole lot. So I am not the best person to talk about it. Maybe you are. Comment your opinions down below if you have already read it. Otherwise, the link is given in the description and you can always go and check it out. The novel of the Murrz. How I am saying the novel. It's a comic and it is available on the Webtoon. And I just really like the slice of life genre in general, because slice of life is relatable, it is funny, it is somewhat logical, and a person is keeping its opinion with just some good animations or some good drawings, and I really like the idea. Now all the video credits are gone to Murrz, which I have used, and the short clips which you are seeing in front of your eyes, they are also from the Murrz YouTube channel. You must go and subscribe her if you like the clips somehow. So thank you all for watching, and if you liked it, then hit like button, smash the subscribe button, break it off, and also hit the notification bell. I don't know if that's necessary or not. And also, if you have any friends, share this video with them. I am really working hard. Please share it with them, and I will see you in the next video.